my baby, thank you for everything, for all those trips. Thank you for keeping my boys cold at the back there, because the streets are cold. Thank you for a good time, not a long time. Guys, as you can see, the Kanakana, so only a few days left with the Kanakana. It has to go soon. But that's not like a bad thing, you know. Sometimes it's not even like a bad thing. You have to say goodbye to. Sometimes just, it's never the right time to say goodbye. Because, Baba, now we two. Crazy. And no more being cold in the back. No more being cold in the back. Now we up, guys. So basically now, yeah, this is what we're putting up. This is what we're putting up. Cartour. I will shout Cartour. Now we leave. Pick up Fargo. We have to go pick up Fargo. So let's go. Let's go fetch Fargo. Good things. You the reason why we made.
That's why I said good things take time. Look at your fit and look at my fit.
No, my fit is better than yours, bro.
This is why they say you're the worst.
What's up with y'all boys, though?
Oh, you used to jumping at the back. The economy is good. Pull up. Pull up, Aaron. Aaron, today you're the one sitting at the back, man. No flop, man. I will shout out to you. What are you saying, Aaron? What are you saying, Aaron?
I know you fixed the car, dog.
Which car?
So you said on the group chat, you exposed yourself, say I got a dollar the battery.
Yeah.
They were stupid, bro.
Expose yourself.
Come on, boy.
I had problems. Didn't you hear yesterday?
Put it on Bruce's live.
Okay, where are we vying now? What do you think? Okay, wait. Which motor do you think we're vying with?
I think it's this
Watch
rascal.
out.
Bruce, no, let's just do it, dog. We're not
Maybe it's the
trying to
Suzuki or something.
It's a Suzuki, ne?
I don't know which one is it, but it's a
Facts, you're right.
Now we got the
It's like my 6 feet here. All the mummies will fail.
upgraded to the soccer mom car. Soccer mom car, let's go. Soccer mom car.
Bro, you don't need to sit at the back, bro.
I don't want to sit in the middle.
Bro, why are you going there, though?
Who wants to sit
I
in the
want
middle?
to see the space now.
What are you doing all the way back there, dog?
Ah, boy, I'm enjoying the space.
Bro, there's so much space here.
Yeah, there's so much space.
I need this car this weekend, bro. Can you borrow me?
Hey, get a load of this guy.
Let's play a Bluetooth.
Yeah.
Something crazy, though.
Oh, then you see that.
Yeah, I see it.
You guys are not serious.
Got a whole lot of drip, I'm rolling it. Got some green racks, I'm mowing it. Put my heart and my soul in.
295.
Yeah. So I just got the disc and stuff. I'm gonna go. I have to wash this car. Wash this car. Go see Thembi. Go see Thembi. And go see Thembi. So right now I'm in pantry, yo, and I'm just like driving through the streets of Johannesburg. Shout out to y'all. Shout out to God. Yo, I feel like I show gratitude a lot. I thank y'all a lot. And I have to, because you guys are the ones that made me the paper cussing for Tough.
Oh, you gonna come?
No one's saying kanda. No one's saying kanda. You imagine, bro. I was at the boys yesterday, bro. They could all
You're
fit.
in here?
Yeah, bro.
Hey, woman, I'm so lost. $1. So nice, my guy.
Crazy, wow. Crazy.
You crib, you whip. Now you need a new.
Not the best, yes, sir. Passenger princess. For real, wow.
This is so nice, my guy.
Yeah, Anton.
Congratulations.
General, I'm in VIP. Used to have the rosary, but I was Vivian. Always go bust down a neck.
What are you calling this? What are you calling this?
This one is Flying Nimbus. Yeah.
She was never about it, but these days I've been
On a date, so he's on a date. See, so it's just after some going to see Thembi.
This crazy shit is aggressive. Hey, my dad had racks on me, that shit was depressing. And I done turned to a king, I was really a peasant. Hey, my dad had swag on me, that shit was a lesson. I dripping it down one. Yeah, I know that bitch I want me.
And it is irreversible. The economy is doing wonderfully. Just arrived here. I just arrived by Thembi's place and I'm late and I'm sure she's like, wee. Okay, sharp. Thing is, dog, what's wrong with Midland traffic, dog? Yo. Midland traffic after 3 is crazy. It's too crazy, but let's go see, huh? Because now it's even getting late. I thought I was going to catch it at least 4. Now it's 5:30. Crazy. But let's go see her and see what she thinks or says. Yes, sir.
I'm vlogging, you're vlogging.
I thought you were ready.
Yeah?
I thought you were ready.
I'm ready. I just have to wear sneakers.
You good?
Yes, my OOTD jacket, jeans.
Nyash.
Let's go.
Go away.
Downstairs. Oh.
Why are you vlogging me?
When are you vlogging me?
I'm vlogging to see you in here.
I know.
Why are you vlogging me?
I'm vlogging for my channel.
Listen to
No, it's cool.
It's super cool. How it's you, huh?
You have my name. You guys.
But now you even rushing, bro. Do you even know where I parked?
everything is so
And where you parked?
I just wanna let you know that you don't have to go away. Just stay with me. I can always be right by you.
I have a family.
You can always be
Come on,
with me. True. I don't wanna let you go.
And you don't know that I have a family.
Wanna let you go. Don't wanna let you go. Don't wanna let you go.
Oh, you pressed it. Woo!
Don't wanna let you go.
Press it.
Where's the camera again?
What did you say?
It's clean. It doesn't smell like shoes. Wow.
Everything is so.
So what do you want to do after this?
Afterwards,
Like, yeah, like right now.
we're going to the movies, eh?
We can like go watch a movie.
Yes.
Is it a date?
What do you call it?
Hmm?
What do you call it?
It's a movie date.
Yeah, it's a movie date.
Mhm.
Yes.
So do you like me?
No.
What do you mean no?
Policeman, I hate you putting me on the spot. You know that.
What do you mean?
What you mean? What do I mean?
I mean, like, we're going on all these dates. How many dates? This is like our 4th date now.
Fourth.
Or fifth date?
Okay, we did gym date.
Went to
Today.
Gold Reef.
Oh, Gold Reef. And
Gym date, Gold Reef, and what?
that's all.
So this is our third date?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking now. On the third date, do you like me?
No, you like putting me on the spot. I don't like it.
What do you mean? I'm asking you a question. I'm asking you a question.
I don't want to answer.
Here, man. Here, man.
I don't want to answer.
I still trust in your love for I said it won't take much for me to show you how I feel. And girl, I know I broke your heart so much. I hope that you